Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring the power of JIRA Automation and how you can automatically assign issues when they go through specific transitions. This simple workflow will save you time and effort in managing your projects, so let's dive right in. First, log into your JIRA account and navigate to your desired project. Once you're in the project, click on the Project Settings gear icon on the lower left corner and then select Automation from the menu. Click on the Create Rule button to start setting up our automation. Now, let's choose the trigger for our automation. In this case, select Issue Transitioned from the available options. After selecting the trigger, choose a specific transition that should trigger the automation. For example, when an issue transitions from to do to in progress. Next, we'll define what happens when the trigger is activated. Click on the Add Action button. Choose the action assigned to user from the list of available actions. Now, specify the user you want to assign the issues to. You can select a specific user or use a dynamic value, such as the assignee of another related issue. Once you've configured the action, click Save to save the automation rule. Make sure to enable the rule to activate it. To verify that everything works as expected, create a test issue or use an existing one. Transition the issue to the design status, for example in progress, and you'll see the automation in action as the issue gets assigned automatically. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've set up a JIRA automation to automatically assign issues when they go through specific transitions. This will streamline your project management and keep everything running smoothly. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel at Tech with Just Jingle Tingle for more useful tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time.